I still blink in the sunset.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a look based on a character or a villager in Animal Crossing, which is, as you can see, I have different contact lenses. So I had kitty ears. Who else? The famous villager Raymond. So I'm gonna put my glasses. Here you go. So I am Raymond now, but I don't like the ring light over my glasses, so I'm gonna take it off. So yeah, if you want to achieve this like girl version and human-like version of Raymond, please keep on watching. So hi guys, I already put my foundation, or I am already baking. So now I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow. So Raymond, as we all know, likes color gray or black. So I'm gonna try to use that color on my eyeshadows. So first, I'm gonna apply this on my eyelids. This NYX concealer in light. So this will be our primer. Okay. Next, I will apply this light shadow here from the Wet n Wild palette called Rosé in the Air. Rosé in the Air. So I'm gonna use this brush, then apply that shade just to set the primer. Okay, I'm gonna use this and put this transition color from the Rosé in the Air palette. Oops. I will use that as a transition color. So using this brush, blending brush, I'm gonna apply this dark shade brown here from the same palette, and then put that on the outer corner of my eyes and dragging it inside. Now I'm gonna use another palette. It's the Peculiar one. I'm gonna use this black sand, and then I'm gonna use this brush, smaller one, and then apply it on the outer corner of my eyes, and then dragging it in slightly like that. And then using a blending brush, I'm gonna blend this. Yes. Blending is the key. I'm happy with that, so I'm gonna put black shadows again, just to intensify this corner, like that. Okay, I'm gonna blend again. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now on the under eye, I'm gonna use this brush and then get this transition shade, and then I'm gonna apply that on the under eyes. After that, I'm gonna get this brown shade again, concentrating it in the outside corner of my under eye, not dragging it like inside. Now I'm gonna get the shader brush, and then this black sand again, and then I'm gonna put this under my eyes, just like that. Now, using this brush, I'm gonna use the transition shade and then blend that here. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna use this Bright Starlight Eyes in the shade Pegasus, and I will put it in the center of my eyelids. Nice. Okay, the other side. And then blending it with my fingers. Using this highlighter from Lustrous in the shade Cassiopeia. And then intensify that shade color on my eyelids. I like that. Now, eyeliner. So I'm gonna use this Careline graphic ink liner. I forgot the brow bone, so I'm gonna use this Sandy Beach in this particular one, and using this brush. Now I'm gonna tight line using this Lustrous eyeliner pencil in black. Okay, this no, it's pixie dust, and then I'm gonna put it in my inner corners. Done. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this Voluminous Lash Paradise L'Oreal. Now I'm gonna take off the powder. And then I'm gonna apply lashes. Now I'm gonna use this lashes. And this is used lashes already, so I'm gonna put eyeliner so that it won't show, the bond won't show. Okay, and then glue. I'm using this Rapey glue. It's on. It's very natural. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply liner again. Okay, I think that's it. And then I'm gonna apply another coat of mascara. Okay, now to the face. Using this, no, I'm gonna bronze na lang. Bronzer using this thingy. This one. I'm using both. Now I'm gonna apply blush. This one, using this one. I might use the this because it's the MAC Amber. That I like it. What do you call this? Highlighter. So I'm gonna use this Lustrous Nadine Lustre X BYS. This gold one here. I'm gonna use this one. using this brow kit from Lost Shoes as well. I'm gonna use this one to contour my nose. Just a little bit because I want the blush to show. Just a little bit. That's it. I think that's too much. It's too much. So I'm gonna get the powder brush again. Where's my powder brush? Here. Then powder that a little. I'm going for a neutral lip. I'm going to use this. I think this is my favorite now. This Caroline Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Gotta Girl. Okay, let's wait for that to dry, and I will dry my hair later. Yeah, like my makeup actually. I'm gonna apply more blush. See, I like it. Now that is dry, I'm gonna apply this colorful tattoo tint. It's from Etude House in the shade BR401. I'm gonna apply this on the center of my lip. And using my fingers, I'm gonna blend that. Now this look is finished. I have to do my hair first. I'm gonna curl it and style it and everything, and I'm gonna proceed to montage. Okay, see you later.